welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making my daughter's birthday cake. So she is turning 13, and this year she would like a rainbow-themed birthday cake. I'm excited about this one, so we're making an actual rainbow cake, and we're decorating it also with rainbows. She's obsessed with rainbows lately, so let's get started.
I started out filling and stacking an 8-inch rainbow cake filled with vanilla Swiss meringue buttercream. This is vanilla cake colored rainbow colors and baked in thin layers. I stacked them in reverse rainbow order: purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Then I frosted the cake with vanilla Swiss meringue buttercream. Then I cleaned up the cake board. I chilled the cake in the fridge for a few minutes and then frosted the cake again. And cleaned up the cake board again. But I knew one recipe of buttercream wouldn't be enough, so I mixed up a batch of American buttercream, colored all the colors of the rainbow, and put them in piping bags with medium open star tips. Then I piped stars up the cake in vertical stripes in rainbow order. Then I piped shells inward on the top of the cake, mirroring the colors on the side. Then I piped swirls around the cake in rainbow order. Then I piped a rainbow in the middle of the cake. I am really proud of this cake. It's so pretty. It's full of color and life. Happy birthday, Sabrina. For more cakes and recipes, visit my website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more cakes.